Hi Tony, it's Danny here. I'm just going to quickly show you how the plants work in LANDWorks. Some of them, as you can see, they're overlapping, but they don't have any field or plane inside. So you can see that, both plants are intersecting with each other, but they have the same color, and there is no fading or anything because there is no plane inside. However, have a look at this. These plants here, when I select them, they have planes. See, and that plane is white with a level of transparency. So in this case, that one there is on top of this one, because you can see that line work is hiding a little bit. So if you want to change the order, like for instance, you want to have that one on top of this one, what you need to do is to select the plant, then go to Arrange to Front. That's it. That will move this plant on top of this one. Okay. The same thing works for this one, for instance. Like, I'm just going to move that one away, just like that. And then it really will depend. Like, if I do a duplicate copy and then I have like 4 plants like that, you can see that this one is sitting underneath, but these 3, because I just made copies, they're sitting on top of that big one. So I will have to select them again, go to Arrange to Back, and then when I refresh the screen, you can see that, the outline inside is a little bit faded. Not that line though. I'm just trying to pick. There we go. That's the one I want to move. See? So that's kind of like how it looks. Now, when I double click on this plant and then I click change and then I uncheck the original color, so leaving the one on the left unchecked and the one on the right checked, and then I click OK and I refresh, that's going to change the color to black because that's the color I used when I inserted the plant. But in this example, I could just pick the plant now, go to the color palette and choose another one. And then when I refresh the screen, look at that. So again, just remember, like the plants, some of them they have transparency, some of them don't have any transparency. So for the ones that don't have any transparency, it's kind of difficult to see which ones sit underneath, if you know what I mean, because there is no plane inside, right? So yeah, I hope this helps, and let me know if you have any other questions. Bye, Tony.